Member Profile. In your member profile, you have complete control over profile visibility, the types of information you choose to share, communication preferences, and an ability to connect SCCE and HCCANet to your LinkedIn profile. My Account. Navigate to the menu title My Account and select Privacy Settings from the drop-down. You have 4 visibility choices for each of the profile demographic fields. Public is the least secure and is not recommended. Members is the most visible within our platform. Contacts only means that only connections you approve on our platform will be able to see your information selected, and Only Me is the least visible and most secure. Community Notification Preferences. Under My Account, you can also change the types of discussion community notifications you would not like to receive. Select Community Notifications from the drop-down menu, and it will populate all of the communities you have joined. For each of those communities, you have 3 notification choices. Real-time means an email notification each time someone posts in a joined group. Daily Digest, a summary email of community activity sent each day. And no email. You must log in and view the community in order to see new discussion activity.